Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your iPhone 12 Pro, let's go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and click on the Face ID and the passcode. Let's scroll down and click to turn on the passcode. So let's set the 6-digit PIN. Input it one more time. Right now we have to input our Apple ID, password, so let me do this. After that you have to click sync it in the right upper corner. And right now we can check if the passcode is working, so lock device by power button, unlock, swipe. And as you can see right now we have to input our code to unlock the iPhone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.